Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English conversation practice. Today, we are going to listen to a natural, friendly talk between two American friends, John and Emma. The topic is visiting the doctor or pharmacy. This is very useful for daily life. You will hear simple sentences, useful words, and real expressions. Listen carefully. Repeat after them if you can. And learn how to talk about health in English. If you are new here, please like this video and subscribe for more conversations. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go meet John and Emma.
Hey, Emma. Good to see you. How's your morning going?
Hey, John. Pretty good, thanks. I had a nice cup of coffee, and now I'm here. How about you? Did you sleep well last night?
Yeah, I slept okay, but my throat feels a little scratchy today. Maybe I need to drink more water. What about you? Everything all right?
I'm good, mostly. But I was thinking about something this morning. I had to go to the pharmacy last week. It made me realize how important it is to know how to talk to doctors and pharmacists, especially when we're not feeling well. Have you been to the doctor recently?
Actually, yes. 2 months ago, I had a really bad cold. I felt terrible. Headache, cough, and my body was so tired. I didn't want to go at first, but my wife said, "John, you have to see the doctor." So I went.
Oh no, poor you. What happened when you got there? Tell me about it.
Well, first I waited in the waiting room for about 20 minutes. There were magazines, but I was too tired to read. Then the nurse called my name. She took my temperature and asked some questions, like, "How long have you been sick?" and "Do you have any allergies?"
That sounds normal. I always get nervous before I see the doctor. My heart beats a little faster. Do you feel like that too?
Yes, every time. I think, what if it's something serious? But the doctor was really nice. She listened to my breathing with that cold thing. What's it called? The stethoscope. Then she said it was just a cold, not the flu. She told me to rest, drink fluids, and take medicine.
Fluids? Like water and juice, right?
Exactly. She gave me a prescription. Then I went to the pharmacy to get the medicine. That part was easier.
I love going to the pharmacy sometimes. Last week, I had a bad headache. It was so strong I couldn't work. So I walked to the pharmacy near my house.
What did you say to the pharmacist?
I said, "Hi, I have a really bad headache. Do you have something for that?" She asked me a few questions, like, "How long have you had it? Are you taking any other medicine?" I told her no. Then she showed me some painkillers. She said, "Take 2 tablets every 6 hours and drink lots of water."
That's helpful. I always forget to ask questions. Sometimes I just say, "Thank you," and leave. But it's better to ask, right? Like, is this medicine safe with my other pills? Or, what are the side effects?
Yes, exactly. Last year, I went to the doctor because of stomach pain. I was worried. The doctor asked, "When does it hurt? After eating or all the time?" I told him everything. He checked me and said it was probably from stress and bad food. He gave me medicine and said, "Try to eat smaller meals and relax more."
Stress, huh? I know that feeling. Work has been busy for me too. One time I went to urgent care because I cut my finger cooking. It wasn't too deep, but it was bleeding a lot. The doctor cleaned it and put a bandage. He said, "Be careful next time."
Oh, John, that sounds like you. You're always busy in the kitchen. Did they give you any advice for the future?
Yeah, he told me to keep the cut clean and change the bandage every day. At the pharmacy, I bought extra bandages and some ointment. The pharmacist was very kind. She even explained how to use it slowly so I understood.
Pharmacists are great like that. They explain things clearly. I remember when my mom visited me. She needed allergy medicine. We went together and I helped translate a little because her English is still improving. The pharmacist said, "This one is good for sneezing and itchy eyes. Take it once a day." My mom felt much better after.
That's sweet you helped your mom. Family is important. So, for beginners watching, what do you think is the most important thing when visiting the doctor?
I think preparation. Write down your symptoms before you go. Like, I have a fever, I feel cold, my throat hurts. That helps the doctor understand faster. And don't be shy to ask questions. Doctors want to help.
I agree. And bring your insurance card if you have one. In America, they usually ask for it at the front desk. Also, be honest about how you feel, even if it's embarrassing, like stomach problems or something.
True. Another thing, after the visit, follow the instructions. If the doctor says, rest for 3 days, really try to rest. I learned that the hard way once. I went back to work too early and got sick again.
Yep. And for pharmacy visits, you don't always need a prescription. For small things like cough drops, vitamins, or Band-Aids, you can just buy them. But for stronger medicine, you need that paper from the doctor.
Exactly. Oh, and one funny story. Last month, I went to the pharmacy for eye drops. I told the pharmacist, my eyes are so dry and red. She gave me the drops and said, put 1 or 2 drops in each eye. I did it right there, but I used too many and my eyes got watery. I looked like I was crying.
Oh no, Emma, that's hilarious. I did something similar with nose spray once. I sprayed too much and sneezed for 10 minutes. Whew, lesson learned.
Yes, so practice makes perfect. Even simple visits help us learn new words like symptoms, prescription, allergy, fever, and painkiller.
For people watching, try to practice with a friend. One person can be the patient, the other the doctor or pharmacist. It's fun, and you remember better.
Totally. And if you feel nervous in real life, it's okay. Most doctors and pharmacists are patient and kind. They see people every day who are worried.
So, what's your final thought on this topic?
My takeaway is, don't wait too long if you feel sick. Take care of your health early. And use simple English to explain how you feel. It really works. How about you, John?
I think the same. Health comes first. And talking about it with friends like this makes it less scary. Thanks for chatting with me today, Emma.
Thank you, John. This was nice.
Thank you so much for watching our conversation today. I hope you learned some useful words and phrases for visiting the doctor or pharmacy. Practice speaking them out loud. It really helps. If you enjoyed this, please like the video, leave a comment with your own doctor story, and subscribe for more real English conversations. Share this with a friend who is learning English too. Take care of your health, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.